On this episode, I'm going to be showing how you can hide these wires that are coming from your TV. Maybe these wires are going to your Wi-Fi modem, or just this regular plug going to an outlet. So we're going to make this look clean. So stay tuned. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, please consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. We all struggle with this type of setup where we want to mount our TV right onto the wall, but your outlet is right down below, your Wi-Fi modem and everything is down below there, and now you have no choice but to have all these hanging lines, cables going down all the way down there, and it just looks messy, to be honest with you, and we want to make it look clean. All you got to do is make sure that you unmount your TV, whether it's mounted on a bracket right behind there. This TV right here is mounted inside my bedroom. I have an outlet right behind my TV. I installed this outlet when I installed and built this wall. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a mock-up for you friends on the outside of my house. I'm going to show you kind of like a similar situation of what we're going to be doing. So let's go. So friends, I made this mini mock-up for you to make a simulation of what's behind that TV. This is 1/2-inch drywall and it is attached to some studs behind there. Now usually studs on your wall are 16-inch centers. So we're going to try to locate those studs. You can easily do that is if you have a magnet, just run it across your wall, and if it sticks on one of these metal drywall screws, then that's how pretty much you can do that. But what I like to use is my Franklin stud finder. You gotta do is run it on the wall like this, and it locates it automatically where those studs are. Now it's very important that you locate where the studs are so you don't end up cutting your drywall and hitting one of those. So now we're going to simulate that this is the top part of your TV and this bottom part is where all the receptacles, where all your modem, where your HDMI cable is going to be going to. Notice that I marked it out with masking tape. You can do masking tape or mark it out with a pencil. If you do end up with masking tape, don't overstick it, and you take this out, possibly rip off the paper on the drywall, so take note of that. Now that we've located where the studs are, we're going to be installing this right here. Now this is a low voltage recessed cable plate. Found this in Amazon, so if you're interested on this product, I'll leave the link on the description down below, so check that out. If you're looking at this, it kind of looks like an old work J-box because it screws in by tension. So right when you're tightening this pretty much hugs and sandwiches right onto the drywall. So what's great about this is it actually comes with a template right here. Now you can cut this out if you want to, but if not, it's measured to 4 1/16 of an inch by 2 5/16 of an inch. But we're going to make it easy for ourselves, and let's go and cut this template out. There you go. Now we have our template. We are going to figure out where we want it. Make sure that this template stays behind the TV where it's covered, or else you defeat the purpose of actually doing this project. I'm just going to go to the right. You can either go here, it's totally up to you. I'm going to just go and trace out this template. Okay. Now automatically you would go and cut this out, but not me. What I like to do is I like to go check out what's behind this first, what's behind this wall before I start doing any cuts, because you don't know what wires are running through there, whether there's a pipe, various types, and I made a separate video on that and how to check. Make sure you check out this video right here on how to check for any type of cables, piping right behind the wall before you make any sorts of cuts or any type of drilling too. What I like to use is this device right here. It's called the endoscope. Move it anywhere you want. It's like a coat hanger, and it has a light and a camera at the end, and it works Wi-Fi via your phone right here. So it works by your phone. It's a great device to have, especially if you're trying to check what's behind walls and whatnot. I highly promote this product. It's a must-have that you must have on your toolbox, in my honest opinion, because it will definitely save you a lot of money and time, so you don't end up cutting any type of wiring or piping inside here. And you've got some flies running around here, but anyways, just make, you don't want to over pierce it, but just lightly make this hole right here. Insert your endoscope like so. My car parked right behind there. and turn what's behind this wall. See how nice and nifty this tool is? Now we know that there's nothing behind there, and now we can make that cut. Before we fully cut this out, what you can do is you can go screw a piece of drywall screw right here, something to hold on to so that this piece doesn't fall behind your wall. There you go. Now you have something to grab onto. And what we're gonna do is this is gonna be facing downward. Okay, this is gonna go downward because that's where we're gonna feed the wires down. Just like that, easy. Just tighten that down. The next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna install the same exact box on the bottom of the wall you're trying to install this at, but instead of this way, this one's gonna go up just like that. So it's gonna receive the wiring on the bottom. So instead of this, we're just gonna flip it and we're gonna locate right on the bottom. So it's very important that this is actually nice and aligned to this box, or else you're gonna have a hard time trying to feed the cables through here. Now a trick that I like to do is just get a piece of string with a weight on the bottom, and you're just gonna go and tape it right on the middle like so. So what you're gonna do is get your template, fold it in half. Now you know where the middle of the template is, just like that. Okay, now you're gonna do the same exact thing like what you did on the bottom. You're gonna pierce it carefully with your keyhole saw. You're gonna take your endoscope, go inside, check for wirings, piping. Hold on to that screw and pull it out. This, we're gonna face it upwards. Now you have one going down, one going up. Now we're gonna feed the cable. So how do we feed the cable down through here? This is a fish tape. It's by Klein or Clean Tools, Klein, Clean. It's up to you how you want to pronounce it. I've been pronouncing it Klein or Clean the whole time. I've been pronouncing it Clean the whole time, but someone says it was Klein, so I guess it's Klein. But anyways, all the tools that I use in this video, I'll leave all the links on the description down below. Check out those links. Easiest way you can do this is feed it going downwards, okay? Now this might be a little tricky to do. It does take patience. Right there. What I like to do is use electrical tape. So you're gonna go and take your cable and just tape it like so. Like that. And we're just gonna feed it up. Oh, got our masking tape with it. There you go. So there you have it, friends. That's how easily you can route all your wires behind your television or wherever you're routing your television easily from the top to bottom. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, if you're wanting to wear, I got this recessed plate. I'll leave all the links and the tools on the description down below, but it's as easy as that. Simple. So let me know in the comment section down below what you think. If you found this video helpful, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.